Guys, this is the update on the car. Let's go down and take a look at this. Still waiting for the shop to get back to me because they like to play around. So we're gonna figure out what we're gonna do. I had the car for a couple of weeks, I think like a month almost now, and there's still problems with it, obviously, cosmetic wise. It's 4th of July, I got the flag chilling on the car, but let's revert to the front. For some reason it doesn't do the little stupid thing anymore where it usually, you know, it does a dumb like flag 0.5 this home. If we look there, you can see my radiator support bracket is still not replaced because this entire piece is still bent. So very strange. Very strange when you send a car to a shop and they ask you to pay them, and I'm still waiting on for the radiator support bracket, which should have been the first thing they fixed, then done everything else. Like, it's a little weird, you know, so clearly they're just messing with me. Not gonna look fun when I get a lawyer involved. Let's just say that. Other than that, I think this side, yeah, this side's missing the clips that go like that help it hold it in place. Obviously these are rusting now. There's no clip on this side either. This should have a clip all around because there's a bracket here that this sits on. Not even there anymore. Paint still looks like ass. For some reason this side of the paint, I'm not even sure if they painted this correctly or not, but it looks very bad. That, you know, when you paint a car, they said they're gonna fill in all the dents. There's still a dent right here. I don't know if you can see it or not, but there's still a dent right there. These things like to pop up for some reason. I have a big dent on this side. Like there's still a dent right here. Like they're supposed to make this all straight, by the way. I hope you know that. There is also something I think over here. I'm not sure where it is, but I know there's two little indents right here. There's this one and another one over here. And there's another fat one on this side, which I do not know where it is offhand. It's too dark for me to see. Oh, but look at their masking job, you know. Fantastical, you know, and you know, obviously missing a big part of the, you know, paint body panels right there. I mean, other than that, car functions fine, but you know, I paid them to do a certain job and clearly they just don't know how to do it. So trial is to try to get my money back before bringing this to a court, because I know, one, it's not gonna look good on them because this is an incomplete car, and it's just like, come on guys, you could do better. And trust me, I've seen their work. They've done a fantastic job, but for some reason it's just gone down. It has gone downhill. So it's just it's very disappointing, that's all. And that's just the update on the car. Happy 4th of July, everybody. Peace out.